absolutely love it. Hi guys, here I am with hair on a scrunchie. I've got two. I'll show you with one and I'll show you with two. I've actually got a lot of hair, so as I've shown you before, I put it up into a high pony and then I did a little mini bun and I've fixed that in place. So give them a bit of a shake. If you haven't worn them for a while, give them a comb, make them look nice. So I'll show you just putting one on to start off with. Now what I do is the chopstick method. So I slide that under from one side through to the other side of my hair. So there's one piece there and there's another piece outside there, and then I stretch this over and I hook it on one side and I just flip it, and sometimes I'll just put it straight on like that and not twist it, and just fold these pieces back. You can see a bit of my hair but it blends in. I just tuck that through there and it's done. Just a really quick little updo. So that's with one. Now if you want two, or the other way you can do it, but I find it doesn't work as well for me, is pulling that and twisting it. Give it a little twist and then pop it underneath the chopstick. Now I've got a lot more hair than you will probably have, so if you've just got a little bun under there or a little pony, you're not going to need two pieces. But as you can see, I've got a lot of hair. That doesn't really worry me. I could do that because the hair still blends in. But quite often what I do is get my second hair on a scrunchie, is what I'm calling them. These ones are from Hairdo by Hair You Wear in the colour Golden Wheat, which I find is a great match for my hair. And I love the Hairdo hair on a scrunchie or hair on a band, because Hairdo has 7 to 10 different shades to make up the one colour. So if you have a look in there, there's a lot of beautiful shades in there, which means it's going to pick up the colouring of your hair much better. Now this one's a little bit older. I couldn't find my other newer one. But again, I'm just going to stretch that out and I'm going to put it at the back. And I'm going to find those little bits of chopstick that I've got, and I'm just going to flick that onto there. Now, that's totally covered up my hair. So, I love that look. That's absolutely great for going out to dinner or for a wedding. Just play around with it. You can also, if you want to, if you don't, I don't mind a lot of volume, but if you're not someone who likes a lot of volume, you can also get these pieces and just pin them down and pin them back. You don't have to have it all buffy like I have it, but personally I love those curls. The more the better for me. And that's a great match blend for my hair. But if I wanted to get my hair like this, I'd have to spend a lot of time curling it, damage my hair. My hair isn't as in good condition as these curls, and this is a much better result for me, a much quicker result. So there I've shown you with 1 hair on a scrunchie and 2. And I'll just show you in there, you can just possibly see the little bit of chopstick. And that's extremely secure. It's not going anywhere. I can do whatever I want. I can run, I can jog, I can dance, I can be dipped on the dance floor, and it's not going anywhere. Now you can see a little bit of my hair there, but it doesn't matter because my hair is blending in with the tones in here. But if you didn't like that, you could put a little clip in there. I can't even find where it's not blending, but there's nothing wrong with doing something like that to cover up. So that's a little bit more of a after 5 or a wedding, but you could put any kind of little clip on there. Again, another one of these. Okay, this is 2 hair on scrunchies, and I've put them onto a chopstick. That's the method I really like to use because I have a lot of hair. But I know you ladies who have got shorter hair, I will show you a different way for that. Thank you.